Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to a brand new video. So in today's video I'm doing a quick makeover of my downstairs cloakroom, which I'm in now. Now I've actually filmed some of this before, but I've lost some of the footage. So basically what we've actually painted the walls white. The walls were like an off cream colour, so that's been done last week. I didn't film that because I thought it's just painting the walls, white paint, basic really, nothing really to film, nothing to really show. But what I've done, I've left all the old accessories like this mirror, this photo frame, and all the other things I've left on as it was before, kind of thing. Okay, so some of the items that we changed previously are the taps on the sink. These are actually from B&Q. These were actually, before we changed these, we had some brass ones which were getting a bit rusty. Same colour as this. So one of the major changes that we made into this small space, one of the smallest spaces in the house, is the flooring. So this is how it looked before. Okay, so we had this brown wooden flooring down on the floor. It was absolutely fine. We just wanted to change it to like a new kind of modern kind of style look. So I found some amazing vinyl in my local carpet shop. They had like an offcut of vinyl which fitted this room perfectly. So we've picked that up and we put it down on the floor. It looks absolutely amazing. So I will show you that towards the end of this video. Okay, so if you're liking the vibe of this video so far, give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing if you're new, and follow me on this makeover journey and on my YouTube journey as well. Okay, so I've got this wicker basket that I want to actually revamp. I know wicker is very in now. I've actually been shopping and I picked up some wicker baskets and some wicker accessories, but for this room I really want it to match the flooring. So I'm actually going to take this basket out into the garden and just give it a lick of paint with some white paint that I just found in the shed, and also I'm going to go over it of course with some grey chalk paint just to give it like a little vibe for this room. And that basket is going to become a basket for our shoes because we've got quite a narrow hallway and we haven't really got space to put our shoes in. So that basket is going to be a basket where we're going to use to put our shoes in. I'm just going to take you out in the garden now and paint this basket. Okay, so this is the space how it's looking at the moment. Hubby's put this flooring down, the vinyl flooring that I was talking about, and I absolutely love it. It looks like tiles. It looks like Victorian or Georgian tiles. Okay, so one of the things that we had to replace as well, which we wasn't expecting to replace, was this toilet. As we removed the old one to fit the flooring down, the toilet cracked. There was a small fine crack in the toilet beforehand. We didn't really notice it, but as we moved the toilet, the whole thing just cracked, so we had to end up going to Selco and picking up this toilet, which was a real bargain. The toilet, including the cistern, the flush, everything was around £70 in Selco, which is absolutely amazing. And it is like, I mean, I know it's a toilet, but it's kind of like a modern kind of style toilet as well. So I'll just show it to you if you want to see the toilet. That's it there. But as you can see, this vinyl flooring just does this room so much justice. It just makes the room look a lot larger. Now there are a few things that we have to touch up because when we put the taps in, we had a little leak, and we've got this kind of colouring around this pipe here. So this whole piping system is going to be changed as well. So there might be a part 2 of this video coming as well. I'll show you all the rest of the finishing touches, but that's just a minor really. Or we might just take this off and spray paint it. I mean, they're quite cheap to buy, so we're probably just going to replace it. Then we're leaving these tiles on. You know, I've just given them a good clean, so just leaving that tile on. I really wanted to get something similar to the flooring to put on the wall here. I've got a lovely mirror from B&M which I'm going to put on the wall there, and I've got some nice picture frames and photographs coming from Desenio. I'm actually working with Desenio in a couple of weeks' time. I've got some amazing prints coming from them, and I can't wait to just put them in this room and the rest of the house and show you how it's all going to look. So I'm just showing you the bare walls now, just to give you an idea of the size of this room. It's quite small. I'm actually standing right on the edge of the door, and it's quite small. Okay, so the basket is now dry. I had it out in the garden, and the weather is perfect for this kind of DIY kind of jobs. That's why I decided to spray paint the basket today. So this is how it's looking now. Absolutely gorgeous. Can you see? It's got that white, it's got that grey, but you can see touches of white in there as well. I did cheat a little bit. I haven't painted the underneath because that's going to go on the floor anyway. I'm just going to get some newspaper or some brown paper from my packaging that I got from the box that I got from Cherries that came with lots of packaging. So I'm just going to pull it in there at the bottom and put our shoes in there. Okay, so the basket is all finished like I showed you before. It looks absolutely amazing against this floor, because this flooring is not black, it's like a dark grey charcoal colour, charcoal and white, which I absolutely love. So I've just got some recycled paper from my Cherries box. I'm just going to put that inside here as a temporary measure, just so we can put our shoes in there. Okay, so I've just put the paper in there and it looks absolutely fine. All that's going to go in this box is our shoes. So we've got a few shoes that we use every day. We're just going to put them in there, and then I'm going to accessorize the rest of the room. Okay, so from this side, I'm actually sitting on the toilet. You can see how the basket looks. It looks absolutely amazing. By giving it that lick of paint, it's actually strengthened the basket as well. And I just absolutely love how it matches this floor. So what I'm going to do next, I'm just going to do some accessories. I'm going to remove this mirror and change it for another one. And like I said, I've got some amazing prints to show you. I'm actually working with Desenio at the end of this month, which I'm so excited for. So please stay tuned. I've got some amazing prints to show you, including a gorgeous print I've ordered to put into this room, the living room, and also the hallway. So that's going to be, oh, and also the kitchen. So that's going to be some amazing content coming onto my channel at towards the end of this month. Okay, but for now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to replace this mirror and put my new mirror that I got from B&M. I haven't actually showed you that mirror yet in a haul, because I was going to do a haul and I thought I'd do this video first, but I can show it to you and then show you the other bits that I got from B&M as a separate. But I'll also probably show it to you in the haul later, if you get what I mean. Windowsill here is a bit plain, so I've got some lovely faux plants I'm going to put on here. I'm thinking about putting a shelf on this wall here as well. I'm not sure if I'm actually going to put the shelf. I've got a shelf from B&M that you probably would have seen in one of my hauls. I might put that up there and then accessorize it as well and style it all up for you guys. I've actually ordered a new toilet roll holder. It's a black one. I was thinking about spray painting this one black, but it's just not the style that I'm actually after right now. So I've ordered one, and that's going to be arriving any day now. So like I said, there will be a part 2 for this video, which I will show you the prints that I've got from Desenio, all the new accessories, including the toilet roll holder. And I'll put the mirror up now just to give you an idea of how that looks. I really hope you enjoyed this kind of video. I really hope you're staying safe and well and enjoying this gorgeous, glorious weather that we're getting right now in the UK. It's absolutely amazing, you know, and I just absolutely love how this room is turning out so far. Flooring has definitely transformed this room into the room that I was trying to achieve. If you get what I mean. Get my words out. What I'm trying to say is that the flooring has definitely transformed that room, you know. So I'm going to style this all up the best that I can now, and then there'll be a part 2 to follow. Okay, so this is the mirror that I was talking about. This is what I got from B&M. I just absolutely love it. You see the detail on the edge in there? It's got that beading edge, which I just absolutely love. So I'm going to replace, if I can get to turning the angle. So what I'm going to do is replace this mirror for that black one. And then I might leave this picture up for now, because like I said, I am going to be getting some new pictures to put up on the wall. And I'm going to just style the rest of this area. We have on the sink here, I've just placed, don't know if you remember from one of my previous Home Bargains hauls, I got this matching soap dispenser, and also it's like a hand antibacterial hand lotion. So those are going to go onto the sink area there. That already looks amazing, you know, just by adding them to it. So yeah, I'm just now going to style the rest of the room and show you how it's going to look afterwards. If you tried, you wouldn't
sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different.
Wrapping paper. This paper I got from Primark. I absolutely love it. It's got like a slight leaf design to it. And what I'm going to do is wrap my toilet rolls. Like, I've seen toilet rolls for sale in like TK Maxx and HomeSense and all these other stores for like, you know, kind of like high-end prices for toilet roll, only because it's got like lovely packaging. So I thought I can just replicate that or dupe it, DIY it myself, and I'm going to use this paper to do it. So I'm going to take you along with me while I do that. Got the wrapping paper. I've just cut enough, wide enough for a loo roll, and I'm literally just going to wrap it and then tuck it in on the sides. And there you have a designer roll of toilet paper, all wrapped up. So I've got this basket which I picked up, I think it was a Sue Ryder charity shop, one of my previous hauls. I'm literally just gonna put the rolls in like that. I'm gonna put one in like that, and then just leave it on the side like that. Okay, so this is how the cloakroom is looking. I just absolutely love it. So I've put the mirror up there, it looks absolutely amazing. I've also placed these soap dispenser and also hand lotion onto the sink area. That just really lifts off the sink. Then of course we have the new flooring, the vinyl, which I absolutely love as well. This is such a good idea, just wrapping the toilet roll and just popping it in the basket there. Looks absolutely, just such a brilliant idea. And then over here I've just got a few accessories. I've got this faux plant from IKEA. I've also got this candle, which is a pomegranate scented candle from IKEA. Absolutely love the fragrance of this. I've actually got an IKEA haul coming up as well shortly on my channel, so please stay tuned for that as well. So this is the before and this is the after. So just really focusing on the floor, the accessories just up here, the sink area, then the basket for the shoes. Just got a couple of pairs of shoes in there at the moment. Okay, so while I was in IKEA, I've also picked this up, this hand towel. Absolutely love it. It's very similar to the print on the wrapping paper, and it really goes well with this flooring as well. I'm not sure of the name of it, but like I said, I've got an IKEA haul coming up, so I would tell you the name of that. But it's just absolutely gorgeous. It's a hand towel, but it's quite big for a hand towel. I think it's 100 centimeters long. So I was thinking of cutting it and making 2 towels out of it. You know, just absolutely love the print on that. So that's that as well. And that is my downstairs cloakroom. Okay guys, so thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my up and coming videos. I have a lot of styling videos coming your way, DIYs as well, lots of new content coming your way. So I'd really love for you to stay tuned and subscribe if you haven't done already, and follow me on this YouTube journey. I love having you on board. I love to have you as part of the YouTube family. So stay safe, keep well, and I shall see you on my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.